Alrighty, boys. I think the plan is we got here like right when it started to die down. But the plan right now is to head a couple miles down the road and get some breakfast. This is breakfast time. No, the show was pretty good. It's just we got here right when it started to die down. Just kind of hung out by the bikes, talking to everybody, so I didn't really get any real good footage. But yeah, there's that. We got a Busa, Busa. Another R1M. I see. That thing's nice. I like that. Bro, I'm the only 600. Everybody else has a liter bike. I feel so like, I feel so tiny. Oh! There he goes. Dude, the mountains are sick. It's so scenic. The scenery is ickin'. Scenic. I need me some munchies. I swear to God, if we pull up somewhere stupid like Taco Bell or Carl's Jr. or something. A little closer than I thought, but that's fine. Oh, we made it. We'll grab some munchies, boys. It's about that time. Well, just came back from breakfast, dude. I just had some of the best waffles of my life. I mean, top tier, just best waffles I've ever had. There he goes. I wish I could wheelie, dude. That looks so fun. I'm back in the road. Okay, bye, Sam. Okay. You are something else. No! Dude, I'm full throttle and he's wheeling faster than I am. Haha, loser. Haha. Bro, the exhaust fumes are like giving me cancer. Good thing lane splitting's legal, am I right? Fold the mirrors in for this one. I'm about to show you guys exactly why motorcycles are just better. Hey, the Lambo moved for us, thank you. Dude, this traffic sucks. It really sucks. Even splitting, it doesn't even feel that quick. Oh, we got another lane. The 100 feels like 100 now. Breaking. Ooh. I'm gonna turn it around real quick. See ya. Well, it is that time where we head home now. Oh, that was a fun ride. Well, I'm still not revealing why I'm in California until the next video, because the next video is why we're actually in California, so I'm not gonna spoil it. I hope traffic don't get backed up like it did on the I-5, dude. That was bad. That was really bad. Oh, look at all that traffic. Good thing we're in California, am I right? Fold the mirrors in. See, I'm gonna go back to Arizona and I'm gonna forget lane splitting's illegal. You know, I really hope they make lane splitting legal in Arizona. This is nice. I feel like California is more of an aesthetic, if anything. It's just so pretty here, you know. You've got the ocean, you've got the trees, you got all the buildings, you got the city, you know. It's so cool here. And the weather's like perfect. I will say, California highways are really confusing sometimes. Like, you either gotta know where you are or know what you're doing. Dude, it's so sketchy moving past almost stopped traffic at this speed. Ooh, balance, balance. Ooh. I'm crazy, dude. I'm the balanced god. But yeah, I can't English. We're approaching home base here in a couple miles, so I'm gonna cut it here. Just yeah, wait for the next video, because I'll actually reveal why we're in California, and we're getting something for Sparky. So I'm gonna have to really exercise some patience with uploading the next video, because I'm dying to get it filmed and uploaded. But yeah, so filming the next video here in, like, what time is it? Ooh, it's 1 o'clock. I'm gonna be filming the next video in like an hour and a half from now, and that's gonna be a special one. So watch out for that one. You'll want to see it, and there will definitely be something different about Sparky. So yeah. Oh, that one hit my nuts. Oh, that one hit my nuts. Oh, that was bad. Oh, that one was bad. Oh. Alright, I think we're good now. Do you ever just do one of these when you're riding? Just air out your balls? Oh, okay, we can do that too. Help, help, help. We're good. Okay. Ow! It was the tip this time. Check me out. Look at me. I'm cool. Oh, this is really cool. It's sketchy because we're going uphill, but it's cool.